We all know that our cars get really dirty, especially when they sit outside. Now, the owner of this black Hyundai Sonata lives in an apartment and he doesn't have access to running water. So basically his car is subjected to dust, dirt, fallout, and it sits underneath a tree where birds are pooping on it. It's got pollen and it's also got bee poop, which we're going to explain how to remove it using one simple product. Now today I'm showing you guys Swift Wipe, which is a waterless wash and sealant, which helps to protect your paint while also enhancing gloss. And all you have to do is shake up the bottle and spray it onto the surface. We're going to saturate the areas like this where there's heavier dirt and debris, more fallout and contamination. And then we're going to simply wipe it away to remove anything that's on the surface, which is a great alternative to using a hose or going down to the car wash. You can simply do this in a carport, you can do it at work, you can also do it on the street if you need to. But basically this is the great way to maintain your gloss and also to protect your vehicle. Now as I'm wiping, I'm also going to roll the towel so we're not dragging the contamination along the surface, which would cause scratches and marring, but we're simply going to pick it up and remove it. You can see all that filth that's on there, and then we'll come back and buff off any of the spent product. Same thing, we're rolling the towel. And also you may have noticed I've folded the towel in fours, which is going to give us a fresh side, but also adding a lot of plush between the vehicle and my hand, so I'm not putting down too much pressure. And you can use this on your glass, you can use it on the paint obviously, you can use it on wheels, even your engine bay, basically anything on your vehicle on the exterior to keep it looking factory fresh. So I'll flip it over here, you can see this towel is getting really dirty already. And a lot of people ask, how many towels do we use on a product like this? And basically it depends on the size of the vehicle, obviously, and also the amount of product being used. It doesn't take a whole bottle to do a car. This bottle will probably do this car 4 or 5 times if used properly. And the amount of towels, we're probably looking at about 4 or 5 towels. So we're going to finish up this half, we'll buff it off, and then also remove any of the bee poop on here. A trick that I've learned is to spray a little bit on the towel and then come back and saturate the stubborn area. Just work it gently back and forth. You don't want to apply a lot of pressure because that could grind it into the paint, causing fine scratches. But just let the cleaner do its job, and that'll help you wipe away anything that's on the surface for a scratch-free finish. Now again, you can use this on your paint, you can use it on your glass, your wheels, and even your engine bay to keep your car looking factory fresh. So if you want to check out this product, head over to your website, chemicalguys.com, or your local detail garage. If you liked today's video, or if you got a car that's dirty just like it, hit that like button and drop your comments down below. We'll see you next time right here in the detail garage.